Alright. That's the old Pimax box for the Pimax 5K Plus. That's the KD Mass box. That's a Quest box, and that's my Pimax 5K Plus. That's the box that it just arrived in. This is the Pimax 5K Super. Now let's see. Let's see what it's like. So, it's just a magnetic top. What's that say? Your vision is your world. Okay. And that's the Pimax 5K Super. Wow. Here's side by side next to my Pimax 5K Plus, which has the Kickstarter's backer box kit on it. Obviously, it used to be black. And this is the new one. That's documentation. I'll look at that. That's concerning because I believe, I might be mistaken, but I believe they used to include connectors on the end of them to block dust in the ends of them, which is not that big of a problem. But yeah, no, that's the new box size. It's a bit bigger than the old box. Let's feel this rubbery material. It's actually different than what I was imagining. I had an idea of what this would feel like, and well, it feels different. Interesting. Okay then. Smells. Of course it smells. It's brand new. Don't like that they bunched the cable up like this and angled it, because that's gonna put a kink in the cable that I'm not gonna like. Okay, there's the spool of cable. I'll set that down. I'm gonna pause this. Actually, no, I'm not gonna pause it. I'm just gonna set it down so it's a continuous live video. Okay. So this cable is 4.5 meters, unlike the 5 meter cable I have on my Pimax 5K Plus. And this is due to the fact that this runs off of USB power versus the external power brick that the Pimax 5K Plus and the original 8KX used to use. A few of the newer Pimax headsets have used the 5 meter cable, but the 8KX and the 5K Super have always been on the 4.5 meter cable since they launched. Only prototypes might have used the older cable. So all retail samples of the Pimax 5K Super and 8KX 100% use the 4.5 meter cable. But in my play space, 4.5 meters is fine for me.